I'm Mark Kraft. I'm the Director of Client Success with ESCO Group. ESCO Group is multifaceted. We have an electrical contracting arm, and then we have an automation arm as well. I'm part of the automation group, and we serve clients in food and bev, oil seeds, and life sciences. Our core competency is really just really developing a very deep relationship with our given customers. We do a lot of repeat business with our customers, and we're kind of a joint part of their engineering team. So we really cater our offering around our client needs. What we try to bring to the table with our clients is just a very extreme knowledge of their existing processes and where they're going in future business. We're often involved in the upfront engineering piece of their business, and there's a lot of situations where we're really serving in the capacity as the experts within that given topic. So I say all the time, there's a lot of people within our organization that know our clients' facilities way better than our clients actually. Yeah, more and more opportunities that we're seeing in our business revolve around enterprise solutions, certainly network security, all of that kind of stuff. So we're definitely, when we're adding to our existing engineering team, we're really putting a focus on finding those people that are coming from the IT world or the network security world, and we're trying to apply that to all of our industrial capability and really put those two teams together.